Hi, I'm Fred Sirieix. Welcome to my new Howdens kitchen. I love it. I want to say a big thank you to the tradespeople who built it because the quality is second to none, and to host in this kitchen is a dream come true. Whoops! Almost. I love this induction hob. First of all, it's such a big space to cook. You know, I can really spread my wings here. But the thing that I love is the bridging zone here, because I can cook bigger dishes. And for me, this is heaven. All my appliances are from Lamona, the induction hob, as well as my 2 ovens here and my microwave. 3 in 1. Now, let me tell you about my ovens. But before I do that, I want to tell you, they are twins. Actually, this one was installed first, so he's the eldest. Very, very easy to use. The best part is this, because basically this turns my oven into a giant air fryer. Look at the size of this air fryer. For me, the best thing about this kitchen is the design. You see this picture? This is my great-grandparents. And when I met the designers at Howdens, I said to them, I want you to build a kitchen around this picture. I want a country feel, like a farmhouse kitchen. And look at the result. I think it's bang on brief. I love it. Now, very excited to show you this drink cabinet, but the most important thing here is that for me is that it was built on site by the tradespeople, and it's the perfect place to put my glasses. Ready for a glass of champagne? Right, it's time for bubbles. My guests are about to arrive. I couldn't be happier with the kitchen. It's absolutely perfect and great for hosting. Sorry, wait, are you still here? It's time to pack up, guys.